Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the file in Preview. This is the only way for the built-in redact workflow. Once the file is open, show the markup toolbar by clicking the pencil icon in the top toolbar. Next, choose the rectangle tool. Preview's Redact button appears in markup when you have a selection. Make sure you select it. You're now ready to create your first redact area. Drag to draw a box over the sensitive text or image, adjusting edges precisely. Once done drawing your first box, refine its placement. Zoom in and use the arrow keys for pixel-level nudges. This prevents accidental exposure. If text spans lines, create multiple boxes and align them so no characters peek out. Use Shift to constrain aspect ratio when needed, and hold Option to resize from center. Make sure to check hidden layers or annotations. Convert any sticky notes or form fields to static content before finalizing, because only visible marks are redacted by Preview's single path method. To finish, apply the redactions. Choose Preview's Redact command or export the document as a flattened PDF to permanently remove covered content. You should save a copy, keep the original for records if needed. Then reopen the exported file and verify the redacted areas are opaque pixels, not white boxes or hidden text. If you still see selectable text, undo and rasterize that page or export as PDF/A. If something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.